how to set up Bluehost email on Outlook. So the first step is to simply launch Outlook, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on email address to enter your email address, and then simply click on advanced options and then select let me set up my account manually, and then click on connect. Then you're gonna have to select the POP or EMAP depending upon the incoming protocol you prefer. And in this video I'm gonna explain you how to do that with EMAP. And then here you're gonna have different settings. So as you can see, you're gonna have to enter those settings, and then you're gonna have to click next, then simply enter the password and click on connect. And after that, what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on done, and now you can send and receive emails from your email client. So but basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.